This is the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. It's big, it's bold, and it's officially here to claim the crown for 2026's best camera phone. But with a price tag starting at 6,499 yuan, is this just a photography flex or the ultimate daily driver? Let's dive in. Huawei has gone back to its roots with these gradient finishes. We haven't seen this kind of color play since the P30 Pro. This orange ocean variant shifts from deep amber to a sunset gold. The module, the signature triangular island, is still here, but it's more refined. Durability. We've got second-gen Kunlun Glass on the front and, wait for it, an IP69 rating. That means it's not just water-resistant. It's high-pressure, high-temperature jet-resistant. The Pro Max features a massive 6.9-inch LTPO OLED specs, 2880 by 1308 resolution, 120 Hz adaptive refresh, and 460 ppi. The feel, it's a straight-screen flagship which feels industrial and precise. The anti-reflective coating is a game-changer for outdoor visibility. No more squinting in the sun to check your shots. This is why you're here. The 200-megapixel telephoto camera, the hardware, 1.28-inch RYYB sensor. That's huge for a zoom lens. Zoom performance. It offers 4x optical, but the optical quality zoom goes much further. The 2:16 super zoom is actually usable for reading distant signs or wildlife. Main sensor, 50 megapixel with low-fic technology. This basically means massive dynamic range. No more blown-out skies when your subject is in the shadows. AI Smart Assist. The new XMAGE system uses AI to suggest poses and even cleans up backgrounds in real time. Under the hood, we have the Kirin 9030S. Efficiency. Built on a 5nm class process, it's about 25% faster than the Pura 80 series. NPU. This is where it shines. Huawei claims a 200% boost in AI image understanding. Memory. Our unit has 16 GB RAM, but thanks to hyperspace memory tech, it feels like 20 GB. Apps stay open for days. Battery, 6,000 mAh. Finally, a flagship that can actually last 2 days of moderate use. Charging, 100 watts wired and 80 watt wireless. You can hit 50% in about 15 minutes. HarmonyOS 6.1. It's completely independent of Android now. The new AI voice agent is terrifyingly smart. It can summarize long capture audio from up to 10 meters away using the new long-range voice enhancement. What do you think of that 200 megapixel zoom? Overkill or exactly what we needed? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to sub for the full long-term review. Catch you in the next one.